Hello everyone, this is Haris from Bitucate, Unlocking Knowledge, Empowering Future. So, what is Bitucate? Or rather, who is Bitucate? Bitucate is committed to empower individuals and businesses with necessary knowledge, tools, and information to excel in this rapidly evolving digital landscape. So, let's start. What is cryptocurrency? So, before we talk about what is cryptocurrency, let's talk about first the evolution of money. It is very essential to note this first so that we could really understand the essence of cryptocurrency. Way back before, people used a barter system. So people exchange goods and services directly. Example, I gave chicken to my friend and my friend gave me his fish. This barter system has limitation as it requires two parties that know their needs to successfully do barter. In short, both parties had to desire what the other party offered. So, this limitation, for example, is I have my friend, he has a fish, but I have a chicken also. I want to exchange my chicken to his fish, but my friend doesn't want my chicken. So there's no barter that will happen because my friend doesn't like to exchange his fish to my chicken. So that's the limitation. So from barter trading or barter system, it evolved to commodity money. So people use items that have value, items like gold and silver. So they used gold and silver to exchange things or items. There. So from commodity money, it evolved to representative money. Since gold and silver is difficult to carry around since you all know it's really heavy to bring gold in your pockets or put it in your bags and silver and other kind of materials. So people created certificates and tokens that represents gold and silver to do exchange. So instead of bringing gold, instead of bringing silver, they used certificates and tokens, but the value of those certificate is the same. It's just representing gold and silver. So that's it. Then next, it evolved to from representative money. It evolved to fiat money. So this is what we use right now. Fiat money such as let's say US dollars, Philippine peso, Japanese yen, and other kinds of currencies globally in other countries. So which is these currencies is issued by the government. So yeah, that's what we use currently right now. Then from fiat money, we have digital money. People can deposit their fiat money to their mobile banking wallet such as GCash. In the Philippines, it's GCash, Maya. Then we also have PayPal. Then for Indonesia, we have Dana wallet. So this no longer needs to bring physical cash, but you carry it by your mobile phones. You just need to have internet access, of course. Of course, you all know this. We are using this one. Then finally, it evolved to cryptocurrency. So what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency. It's almost the same as digital fiat money, but cryptocurrencies do not have a central authority that holds your money. Let's say central authorities such as banks, government. So currently, we deposit our money in banks, right? Which means that banks hold and safekeep your money. Which also means that banks have control over your money, given that it's your own money or your bank account. So, let's say, for example, let's say I will be depositing, or rather, I will be sending my money from bank number 1 to bank number 2. Then there's a limit here in the Philippines. Like you have a limit to transfer of I think 50,000 pesos if I'm not mistaken. So there's a limit to transfer money. So banks have control. Banks have its own rules for the users to protect its users. So they implement this kind of rules to the users, but of course, the users will need to follow because you deposit your money, but it's the rule of the bank you need to follow. So with cryptocurrency, there's no central authority or intermediary that holds and safekeep your money. So it's you that holds it and have control over it if in cryptocurrency. So to better understand, what are the characteristics of cryptocurrencies and what makes it special? So firstly, cryptocurrency are digital. Cryptocurrencies have no physical form. There are no dollar bills or metal coins. Next, cryptocurrencies are borderless. So regardless of where you live or who you are, you can send it almost instantaneously to others anywhere in the world without concern for geographic distance and country borders. And also, there's no need for me to go to banks and ask them to transfer my money to other countries. So there will be no more huge transaction fees from banks. There's no more lengthy documents that needs to be filled out, and there's no wasted time just to transfer money to other countries. So cryptocurrency are borderless. The next characteristics is cryptocurrencies are permissionless. So anybody can send and receive cryptocurrencies. Whoever you are, let's say I'm just a lowly person. Let's say I just work in a cashier in a convenience store, or I'm just a nobody in the space. That person can send and receive cryptocurrencies. There's no barrier that forbids you to send and receive cryptocurrency. So you don't need to register an account or fill out an application. Again, you don't need to ask the permission of banks to create an account or do transactions in cryptocurrency. The address of your transaction details is not inherently tied to any of your personal information, since banks, in every transaction you do, people working inside the bank knows your personal information and what the transaction you made. But in cryptocurrency, the cryptocurrency space do not ask for your details because it's very discreet. Since you can send and receive cryptocurrency without giving any personal identifying information, cryptocurrencies provide some degree of privacy. It's private since it's permissionless, and it's you who control your money, not everyone else. So there's no more banks that that holds your data. They have your data. Of course, in banks, when you, let's say, if you create a bank account in a bank, of course they ask your name, they ask your address, they ask your salary, the range of your salary, your income, where do you work, where do you live, your contact details, like that. But in cryptocurrency space, there's no such thing. So it's really private. So cryptocurrencies are permissionless. The next one, cryptocurrency are decentralized. So unlike traditional currencies, also known as fiat currencies, let's say US dollar or Philippine peso, cryptocurrencies are not connected to any government or central bank. So there's no bank or government behind them. So imagine this. So in current times right now, we have banks. I'll deposit my money to my bank. Then the banks act as a intermediary, like a middleman. So let's say for me, I bought food. I ordered food in Grab. So which means how do I pay the merchant? So let's say I deposit my money to GrabPay, or rather I GCash, or I transfer my money through bank to the merchant. So it's me, the owner of the money, asking the bank to transfer my money to the merchant. So there's a middleman, there's an intermediary. But in cryptocurrency, you send your money directly to the merchant. There's no middle person in action anymore. So cryptocurrencies are decentralized. So the next characteristics is cryptocurrencies are counterfeit proof. So this is where cryptography is involved and how it's used to securely record and store transactions. Cryptography is a process technique to hide and code information securely. But in modern age right now, cryptography is now associated with protecting computer information using really fancy math. It's really technical. It's more on computer mathematics, computing mathematical problems. So that's how we secure the cryptocurrency using cryptography. Since cryptocurrencies rely on cryptography for their security, that's where the crypto comes from in cryptocurrencies. So when we break down cryptocurrency, it's crypto, the first word, then the second word is currencies. So crypto, in Greek word, it means secret or hide. Then the next one, currency. So the currency is secret, or you hide the currency. How do you hide it? By mathematical, through cryptography. So it's really a technical process to really code or being programmed to be safe for counterfeit, for hacking and such things. So cryptocurrencies are counterfeit proof. Those are the characteristics of cryptocurrencies. I really hope that you understand what cryptocurrency is right now. And if you have further questions, just comment your question in the comments section below. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bitucate. Hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified if there's a new educational video already. Also, hope you can also join Bitucate Telegram community group. In there will be news about cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. There will be also discussions there. So if you have any questions, you can message there. And Bitucate will be there to guide you. In the future, there will be full-time, freelance, or part-time job opportunities that will be posted there. And the most exciting is that there will be airdrops and giveaways that will happen there from time to time. So make sure to join Bitucate Telegram group to stay updated. So in the next video, I'll be discussing what are the types of cryptocurrencies. So I hope to see you there in my next video.